Hi, my name's Martha Lueck. I write for Getting Through Tough Times with Healthy Plays. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to use your strengths when you feel weak. I know that when you feel weak, it can be really hard to even remember that you have strengths. It can be hard to find the motivation to do anything. But I do know this. You're stronger than you think you are. I think one of the ways that I have tried to remember what my strengths are, I've looked back to the past and remembered what I was good at. For example, in college, I was really good at time management. So when I feel like I'm not very good at time management now, I remember that was a strength in the past. That was how I was able to pass all my classes while writing for the school newspaper, and that was how I was able to get my degree in 4 years. I just have to remember now that I can implement this skill in my everyday life and eventually build up more confidence and take on more responsibilities. Another good thing to do is to ask your friends about your strengths. If you feel like you're not good at anything, ask them, what do you think I'm good at? Or do you think this would be a good volunteer opportunity for me, or a good job for me, or just anything that you want to do? Ask them if they think that you'd be good at it. And sometimes they'll tell you that you'll be good at something you never even thought of. Because sometimes your friends know you better than you know yourself. Because they see strengths in you that you don't see in yourself. There's nothing wrong with asking for a little validation. So if you guys have any ideas on how you can find and use your strengths, please share in the comments. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.